สุดท้ายเนี่ยออกนี้ไงนี่คือยมนอมเนี่ยออกนี้มาเมื่อการอันบ็อกซ์ในผลิตภัณฑ์มวยนะนี่คือชีกัมรามาG7X Mark II ได้ประสิทธิ์ชีเนี่ยออกนี้อาซาเมอร์บล็อกเกอร์บอกขมายบอยเยอะนะคือเพียเชิญคือเก็บเผยในผลิตภัณฑ์มวยหนึ่งบนใหญ่ตั้งท่าชีประเทศขมายเยอะหรือก่อนในสอกเกคือการรามวยนั่งคือจบลำดับท็อปนะได้ซาแต่การได้เผยแผ่บริเวณ flexibility จมวยหนึ่ง compact อะไรแบบโดยทายยืนการเมาส์คือโตยมอมอัพงนเปย์ไฮเวอร์เมียนยืนจำเมื่อแต่ออกนี่ประธานที่ในขนมฟีเจอร์บริเวณตาเมียนไอ้นะมันหนังยืนเพื่อการโจมเมื่อมาการหนังยืนหรือนั่งเมื่อมาการประอัพบริเวณตามดองtớiแบบคือนี่คือยังเคยไงคือมีนฟีเจอร์บริเวณเชิญเหมือนกันไอ้นี่คือมาเพย์เมกะพิกเซลไอ้มีนกำลังaperture ไอ้อันนี้นั่งไอ้นี่คือ Wi-Fi bà cứ được dương khơi nháy cứ vì ai ao dương thua cặp bọt màu camera thằng một cái nè của dương đang xẻ váy đi thà camera sẽ mẹp lọt cứ anh chẳng cứ miền cứ sẽ mẹp ao dương thua cả mờ một luôn ai bàn mờ pe để dương đào dương dậy ấy nè bà lần chẳng có mỗi khát pe vú cứ nhom thua cặp bao bọt đang tay mà đòn tới hay dương chạm mờ ta nó không nắng cứ miền camera nó hói hay vừa miền accessory fc tí đó nè bàไอ้นี่คือคอนไตเชียบานนี่คือเชียการ์ดมาปีแคนนอนไอ้นี่คือเชียวารันตีคาร์ดได้ยมติงในผลิตภัณฑ์นั่นคือในขนมสกได้เบียมีนคือการบันถึงเดียนั่งอยากไปปีชนำจุดพวกผลิตภัณฑ์นั่นนะบ่าไปยืมติงในเด็กนั่นไอ้คือเบียช่วงการเป็นชนำให้นำมวยเหมือนในขนมสกจังยังปะปะบริษัทยืมมีนไปยังหายเธอเซนตัววินตัวมาเองจังเตออันนี้คือเชียร์ Super Getting Started with User Guide อีกจังហើយយើងមើលមកផ្នែកខាងនេះគឺមាននៅខ្សែបាទសម្រាប់ធ្វើការ charge នៅកាមេរ៉ាហ្នឹងណាបាទហើយកន្លែងនេះគឺជាកាមេរ៉ាផ្ទាល់តែម្ដងហើយយើងមើលមកផ្នែកខាងនេះសិនបាទនេះគឺជាខ្សែសម្រាប់ដូចថាយើងដាក់នៅគៀនកាមេរ៉ាសម្រាប់ទុកកាន់ណាទុកយួរថាខ្លាចជ្រូកខ្លាចអីចឹងទៅហើយនេះគឺវាមានភ្ជាប់មកជាមួយនៅ battery charger ដូចថាយើងអស់ថ្មអស់អីយើងដាក់ចូលទៅក្នុងហ្នឹងឆាយតែម្ដងនេះថ្មរបស់វាហ្នឹងគឺមានរាងលក្ខណៈ4ជ្រុងដូចយើងឃើញនេះឯងហើយចុងក្រោយនេះវិញគឺជាបាទគឺជាថ្មរបស់វាផ្ទាល់តែម្ដងណាបាទគឺថ្មរបស់វាហ្នឹងគេហៅ NB13L ដែលយើងឃើញនៅកន្លែងនេះហើយតោះអញ្ចឹងយើងមើលមកកាន់កាមេរ៉ាតែម្ដងទៅគឺនៅក្នុងប្រអប់ហ្នឹងគឺមានតែប៉ុណ្្នឹងទេនេះគឺជាកាមេរ៉ារបស់វាផ្ទាល់តែម្ដងបាទនេះគឺយើងឃើញហើយបាទឃើញថារាងរបស់វាតូចល្មមអត់លក្ខណៈដូចថាធ្ងន់អីណាมันល្មមសម្រាប់យើងកាន់អញ្ចឹងទៅហើយយើងអាចធ្វើការបកមកនេះគឺដែលយើងឃើញហើយសម្រាប់ដូចថាយើងកាន់កាមេរ៉ានឹងមកសម្រាប់និយាយអីចឹងណាបាទគឺភាពងាយស្រួលមែនតើហើយ screen របស់វាហ្នឹងគឺចំនួន3 inch ហើយនេះគឺមានកន្លែងចុចច្រើនបាទគឺខ្ញុំនឹងបើសិនជាមានពេលខ្ញុំនឹងធ្វើការបង្ហាញអំពីការប្រើប្រាស់នៅកាមេរ៉ានឹងទៀតទេណាព្រោះអីវាមាន option ច្រើនមែនតើមាន set នៅ aperture មាន ISO បាទគឺមានច្រើនហើយកាមេរ៉ាហ្នឹងគុណសម្បត្តិរបស់វាសំខាន់បំផុតហ្នឹងគឺថាពេលយើងថតអញ្ចឹងទៅគឺវា focus លឿនមែនតើ auto focus ណាហើយនេះគឺជា Mac G7X Mark II បើមួយទៀតគេចេញស៊េរីក្រោយមួយទៀតគឺ G7X Mark III ប៉ុន្តែ Mark III ហ្នឹងគឺវាមានបញ្ហាដោយសារតែនៅពេលដែលយើងនិយាយនៅអីចឹងទៅគឺ focus auto focus របស់វាគឺយឺតមែនតើបាទបើប្រៀបធៀបមួយ G7X Mark II ហ្នឹងណាបាទគឺនោះគឺជាចំណុចខ្សោយរបស់វាមួយប៉ុន្តែខ្ញុំអត់និយាយតាក់ទងទៅនឹងគុណសម្បត្តិប្រៀបធៀបគ្នារវាងនេះទេព្រោះអីឥឡូវយើងកំពុង focus ទៅលើការដែលយើងនិយាយនេះហើយយើងអាចធ្វើការបត់ចឹងមកទៀតក៏បានដែរបាទគឺយើងឃើញហើយអាចទាញចេញមកអញ្ចឹងបានបាទ hay nó ngày chẳng cứ nhung cần tha np đại nhung đặt mò đại chỗ hay nhung xạo này đó nhung mơ và thay tiết đấy nè
Really cold, isn't it? Skin? Yeah. Cold-blooded.
Yeah, I just pulled him out, and half of him was in a warm patch, and half of him was in a cold patch. So it's kind of, it's a bit hit and miss at the moment.
Yeah. That's cool. You can pat them.
Can we touch its head?
Not his head.
Just the body.
Just the back.
Yeah. Bạn này đó, đây cứ khơi tha nhôm ban tờ lọp mọi người nhé, hay đi cứ chỉ ngày tí pi. Bạn đồng sự đây này đó kia, đôi đàn đó thì bạn đang ngay đi cứ chỉ ngày tí bấy, để chỉ ngày trong khối nhôm nơi thì rộng Adelaide. Nhôm ban tờ lọp mau can airport với nhé, cứ Adelaide airport.